Bitcoin's fear index hits the lowest level since March 2020's crash. But here at Moneybags, remain level-headed because we know when there is fear, there is opportunity as Bitcoin enters a buyer's market. So let's look at the facts in the market and charts together and bring financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here with the latest Bitcoin and market news reaction. In this video, I'll discuss Bitcoin sentiment with regards to the fear index, as well as the latest fundamentals in the market. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll provide some chart analysis and some price prediction that I know you guys are very interested in. But first, we're going to dive right into this article. Though things are not as bad as they were last week, investors are still afraid. According to a hosting site Alternative, the same day, its crypto fear and greed index, which analyzed the sentiment of the Bitcoin market, dropped to a level not seen since March 2020. And we're going to cover that kind of look at the end of the video. How's it look now compared to March 2020? Representing extreme fear, the index is now at an 8, down from 14 just yesterday and 28 last month. Okay, so we're going to go right into another article from Cointelegraph. Analysts in both crypto and traditional markets have noted some startling similarities between the recent downturn and one caused by the panic in March 2020. The real question is whether it's the start of a larger downturn, or will this be a significant bounce back as in 2020 led to an extended bull run in both crypto and stock markets. I want you guys to go ahead and leave some comments down below. Let me know if you're buying the dip and if you still remain bullish on Bitcoin and Bitcoin's future. Despite the market fears and Bitcoin prices, we can see that the fundamentals and adoption of Bitcoin and crypto remains bullish as ever. That's something that we can see, that it's continuously growing, and we can see more about that with this article by Bitcoin Magazine. With Primer, a global payment infrastructure automation platform, now allows one-click checkout functions for Bitcoin. Primer partnered with the leading Bitcoin payment infrastructure company, OpenNode, to bring this optionality worldwide. Primer currently operates in 30 countries with a wide range of supported payment features and OpenNode services in 126 countries. So that's more fundamentals where it's showing us more adoption. Separately, Twitter CEO former CEO of Twitter stated Block is stepping away from its identity as a payment-only platform and will increase its focus on cryptocurrency and music streaming as part of a transition to all-encompassing ecosystem. So as we're seeing more adoption as we continue to move forward down the term, or down the road basically. Calling Block a payment company is like calling Amazon a bookseller. So that tells you a lot right there. And he also stated this: CEO and co-founder Jack Dorsey told attendees during the keynote that Block is evolving and Bitcoin will have an increasing role in its future. Adding Block can be considered a one-category brand. So there's going to be a lot more coming with Block, and exactly with Bitcoin as well, as we continue to evolve right down the road. So more bullish news regarding the overall sentiment of cryptocurrency as far as Bitcoin. And another article by Bitcoin Magazine. Late Sunday night, El Salvador's president Nayib Bukele announced on Twitter that 32 central banks and 12 financial authorities from 44 countries are to meet on Monday, May 16th, to discuss financial inclusion, digital economy, banking the unbanked, El Salvador's Bitcoin rollout, and its benefits to its country. Okay, so that's pretty important right there. And then next we have the correlation of where we look like, right? So in my opinion, yeah, we're most definitely still early to this party, right? We're still early to the whole party. This is the correlation that everybody keeps talking about. In my opinion, what I believe, we're still early to this party and the adoption of crypto tech, payment system, and we obviously see the countries and their financial authorities is evidently a snowball that is beginning to gather some momentum, because we see, El Salvador, and we see other countries as well stepping in and bringing some of that notion that they're ready to do this, right? Before we get to the chart analysis, which is right here, you guys made it to this part of the video, make sure if you guys liked it, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss none of the daily content where I bring financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. And now we're going to get to these price predictions, where I see that on the daily chart, we have dots on the bottom, right? I really like that we have the dots on the bottom. What I'm struggling with is on the three-day chart and the weekly chart. I want to see this turn around. We still have buying or selling pressure on the weekly chart. On the 3-day chart, we see that depleting. What looks good and in our favor is we've been oversold on the daily, oversold. So we're seeing some turnaround, and the lowest that we went was at 26.7. we still see it oversold, and we're going to work our way down this chart. Right now we got this on 26.7, so that's that low on the 12-hour chart. But if you look at it, it looks like Bitcoin wants to hit that SAR, and if it does that, most likely it's going to be turning around, right? So that's something that we want to make sure that we don't we definitely don't want to see that, right? 6-hour, we see the dots on the top. 4-hour, we see the dots on the top. As far as we keep going, working our way down the charts, we see the dots on the top. So right now, I can see some consolidation to the right as Bitcoin continues to trade. So we got this range right here, and we're going to identify these right now on this 1-hour chart. Okay, let's go ahead and show our drawings. So this is where we're at inside this range so far on this 1-hour chart. 31,460 and this 28,654. We'll see if we can break above this little area right here, this small channel, and continue to work our way up. We'll keep dropping videos and keep you guys up to date. Remember, like I said, hit that like and subscribe button, okay? Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.